Hello Tealstreeters! If you're looking to set up your Bitget API keys, here's a straightforward guide to get you started. Click on Create API Key on the Bitget website. Next, select System Generated API Key. Input your desired note and personal passphrase. Set it to read and write and check the permission type checkbox. Further down, you'll need to set up the bound IP addresses. Please copy the IP addresses from Tealstreet and enter them into the exchange. Click Next and enter your email verification code and 2FA code, then click Confirm. Now, choose a name of your choice and select the tab color. Copy the API key and API secret key from Bitget into Tealstreet. Remember to add your passphrase as previously set within the exchange. Click Add and then Confirm. You should now be all set and ready to start trading. Feel free to use our referral link to support the development of our platform.